Ever wonder why some blogs seem to attract readers like bees to honey, while others get lost in the vast digital landscape? The secret lies in the magic of SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the knight in shining armor that can elevate your blog from the depths of obscurity to the heights of visibility. Today, we dive deep into 5 advanced techniques to optimize your blog for SEO. First, consider the keyword. Keywords are not just about the words you use, they're about understanding the intent of your reader. This is where long-tail keywords come into play. They are 3 to 4 word phrases that are specific to your content. Using long-tail keywords can help you attract quality traffic to your blog, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Second, understand the power of meta descriptions. A meta description is a brief summary of your blog post that appears under your title in search engine results. It's your chance to make a great first impression and entice readers to click on your blog. Make your meta descriptions compelling, include your main keywords, and keep them under 160 characters. Third, harness the power of internal linking. By linking your current post to other relevant posts on your blog, you're not only improving the navigation of your site, but also boosting your SEO. Internal links help search engines understand the content of your blog and add value to your readers. Fourth, make your blog mobile-friendly. With more than half of internet traffic coming from mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure your blog is accessible and easy to read on a small screen. A mobile-friendly blog will not only improve the user experience, but also boost your SEO ranking. Finally, focus on creating high-quality content. This might sound obvious, but it's surprising how many blogs overlook this crucial aspect. Search engines love fresh, unique, and valuable content. So take the time to research, write, and edit your posts to make sure they provide real value to your readers. To recap, to optimize your blog for SEO, focus on using long-tail keywords to match user intent, craft compelling meta descriptions, use internal links wisely, ensure your blog is mobile-friendly, and always prioritize high-quality content. These advanced techniques will not only improve your search engine rankings, but also increase the visibility of your blog, attract more readers, and boost your conversion rates. Remember, SEO is not just about getting the highest ranking on search engines, it's about connecting with your readers, providing valuable content, and creating a memorable online experience. So, put on your SEO armor, wield these techniques, and watch your blog rise to new digital heights.